Kablay Pibaro. Ni priang subhay pi siya kanikatuk kubor jengi upet North Cable News. Haswa bang ni kami kubor kebabnya ane kejanmit ngin phaswa skimat bakongsan jong kubor mentah ketayong. Menjur ke Kanhun Menteri Bantawe ke Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ban penstat ke jing tungkam bat menjur bantiet ya ke yeng ha Bangalore ban penbiang jakasa ki kena pulih. Wanra oba sei borlang warba ya ka mangtengka ke balai benai hagieng darbar ke KHDC. Panjang Shayu Kataki halot aerial survey hapok ka 10 km radius jong gijaka lumdau yong. Haka kendai trip yong en bo jingkli ba Fernando Shangpliang ya kisaki bal IT de Sorkar Pedeng bat Sorkar Jelai. Lum jingelang menteri basa ateng ban pentrei di project haki skol bat college. Lara kapisa ke bagi krong na kinongnya atrok ka pois ka council ka dewan ruspa ndai kamlong kumta. Kat badang yat ka model code of conduct ki penmi order ban bo kerdop lum khajna. Dageslam jing sumar tenrai play ikong aidares marbanyang ha maupun ksai. Bat kenyo jumai bah nyo point nyo ho Richter scale agari Myanmar. Ka Kanhun Menteri jong ke Sorkar Jelai ke beli kendo ha kesingi balang jong ke toyo kala ajing menjur bantawe ke Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ban penkloy ban pendap ek jing tongkam hakikam ki balai. Bat kala menjeru bantiet ya ke yeng ka ba arpau klor tengka ha Bangalore. Kabandai ke Meghalaya Guest House ban penbiang jakasa ki kena pulih na kene kejela. Habai keren bikin pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingelang ka Kanhun Menteri. Menteri ketenat Social Welfare ke Jelau ba apoleng do ugloong ba ka Kanhun Menteri keletai ke jingdan kam kerki bentung kam hagi kam ke balat theli kenang ban la ban simkhai ke jingdunai ke dong tre ketenat. Bat kumta ka Kanhun Menteri kalai ke jing menjur bantau ya ke Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board. Uba polong do ulong balapan kamti ha ke board ya ke jingkit kle bat kamtam ya ke jingdan kam kerke ban simkhia ke jingduna ke dong tre de ke betung kam no mardor ya ki kam ke belat theli baru ula airuksa bakiran kumbahan rupu arteli ki kerdan lady supervisor ya ke ba 4 sim latung kam bat prateli ki post child development project officer. Kanhun Menteri kala menjur bantawe ke Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board kaban clear ke chairperson ke badi banbat ke kerdan commissioner bat secretary jong ke Sorkar Jelai ha ke tenat social welfare bat ke director kom ke member secretary.
Where we discussed about the urgent need to address the shortfall of human resources, and it was found that we had a number of vacancies of various categories. For instance, the CDPOs, lady supervisors, child development project officers, where in order to accelerate the process of filling up various vacancies, the cabinet had agreed to the setting up of the Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board. Now, the board has been tasked with various responsibilities, and the immediate need to address the shortfall of human resources will be addressed by filling up the various vacancies. For instance, we have as many as 62 lady supervisors who are yet to be appointed, 8 CDPOs, and this process has taken longer than expected because of various delays that have occurred in the filling up of these vacancies by the MPSC. So to expedite that process, the cabinet has cleared the creation of the Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board.
Ka Sorkar Jelai kelasnya Megarai bantiet ya ke yeng ke bansyongdor arpau klor tengka banbu ke Meghalaya Guest House ha Bangalore. Kenang ban la ban penbiang jakasa ki belit jinglet berbenai jakasa ki san pongut ki kena pulih senrang bat san pongut ki kena pulih kentai ke Jelai. Ha bakli laki don ni kanu ke jing temu bensna ya ke Meghalaya House ha Bangalore. Uba polong do ulong bayam menta kemudian kam kerki kelong ban penbiang ya ke jingdan kam jeki kena pulih. Kajing temu bensna ke Meghalaya House ke dairu ke beladon ha kajing perkat ndrai benelek ban penbiang no mardor kam tam ha babun ki kena pulih syam jing ban yo ya ke jakasa. Bat ka doru kalong ke barambha. Ndrai la dasnai ke Meghalaya House on dan kam mantau syuk gi pos bat ban boru yaki officer.
Cabinet also approved the purchase of a building in Bangalore for the accommodation of visitors from Meghalaya to that city, and more especially for the student population. This particular building, located in the city of Bangalore, will accommodate at any point of time in two dorms for girls and boys, 50 boys and 50 girls. And Bangalore being one of the most visited areas by Meghalayans, and also we have a number of students pursuing various courses in that city.
Unong aikitin ke sarkar jela ba apol lengdo ulong baban pendunai ke jengkak miak ke sor Shillong. Ke sarkar jela kala ai ke jeng menjur ban pen kendria ano ke police reserve bat an bono hatenring. Ha ka New Shillong Township ha ke ban mang ya ke jaka ke Sanpau akar naga benta ban shnai ke police reserve ke Bathamai. Oleh itu bagi kam ken sedang nok shen ban shnai ke police reserve ke Bathamai bat dia mentai ken sedang syaw ban pen kendria shan New Shillong. Bat an serai ke ai ke ban le ke jaka jeng ke police reserve anda glatli baru long ru baya ka jail ru an sapringan ria bat kan sa sheme karai ke ban le ya kan ka jaka hadien.
Further decongest the city of Shillong, the police reserve will now be relocated at Tindring, which is under the New Shillong Township. An area of 50 acres will be allotted for the creation of a new police reserve at Tindring. And this particular area will also serve as a corridor between the administrative city and the knowledge city of the new Shillong Township. So the cabinet has approved this particular proposal, and we will go ahead with the setting up of the police reserve, which will also help in the process of decongesting the state capital. The plan now is we will decongest the area. The jail will also be shifted, and we will then this will a proposal of what happens to the plots of land will then be put up by the Department of Urban Affairs.
Not yet decided.
No, not yet. We will first move to New Shillong and then decide on what we do with the plots of land that will be made free once the police reserve moves out of there. The state jail will also move out, and we will then decide on what we will use with these, because the need of the city are multiple, and those will be addressed by the department concerned.
Kakanun Menteri Kalaai kejing menjur kejing terwaban kentiono Arsha ya ka syuti casual leave ignau tri sarkar na ka khatsan sngi syakalai posngi. Uba poleng do ulong bakladon lupa kejing penbet bat ka sekolah ya ka balalap baklalong ka balarembha. Bat ikisni ka balasya ban shim syuti ignau tri sarkar leng ba ka casual leave kalong tang khatsan sngi ya ka shisnem. Ndek sarkar menta klarai ban aishti no lai posngi.
There was an existing arrangement, a circular, which has now been found to be outdated, where the number of days allowed for government employees to avail of special casual leave was just 15 days in a year. We decided today that the number of days would now be doubled to 30 days. And more importantly, the need to allow government employees who are also taking part in games, sports, and athletic meets. And whenever such occasions where various sports and games requiring the participation of government employees is concerned, that particular period will be treated as a period where government employees are actually performing their duties and will not be counted as leave. This will also help the state in meeting various requirements, especially in view of the forthcoming national games.
Kakanun Menteri Kalaai kejing menjur bantong ya ke Chief Secretary Berem Kejela ikong Arvi Suciang kum ke State Chief Information Commissioner Bathamai na ke bentalai senam. Uba poleng do ulong bakakam Chief Information Commissioner kalalong thali hadian bu he IPS Officer Berem Kejela uba H nong plu ula syong that no haka khat sau trek unai wiang kasnam Arhajar Arpusau.
In view of the retirement of Pak Nongplu, IPS retired on the 14th of November 2024. Today, the Cabinet has approved the proposal that Kong R.V. Suchang, IAS retired, be appointed as the new State Chief Information Commissioner for the period of 3 years.
Menteri Ketenat Permit Boarding Kejela Iti Mandal Uloong bahagia jeng persang jang Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kelashim ke Shillong bat Ketura Civil Hospital ban penti kena ban bo iki substation kenang beginyo ke boarding ke bam thut satya wal aradon kanugro ke jingja. Uloong baban penklan ke jeng sam boarding syekiwe kiwe ki Jakaru kilapan jakana ke sorkar ke ban persya ke ketem kishpai BSF hada nagre bat kawe ke jaka HMTC hada kop gre. Bat ke sorkar kela menjur ban ai kini kilai teli ke jaka ban bo ya ke substation hatura. Menteri ula pentip bro baka kenhun menteri kela menjur ke jing terwa ban kentiu kordan ya ke nehu bat ka maulai substation ban lak ban pendap ke jing dawa boarding ha kathan. Bala senaru ke substation batamai ha mau khanu ban kersha ke jing sam boarding ya ke nong ba Shillong.
Expansion and upgradation of substation because the demand is increasing every day. And accordingly, we have decided that Nehu and Maulai substation will be upgraded. And we are having another new substation at Senses and a proposed substation at Maukanu to take the load factor of Shillong City. Similarly, in Tura also, our peak hour demand has reached to 20 megawatt, which needs more substations, either new substations or upgraded substations. So accordingly, we have moved to the government to provide us land because there are some readily available land, and we have requested the government to give us land. So there will be one substation in the sericulture office campus. The NUPDCL vis-a-vis the government has decided that all the civil subdivision, civil hospitals, should have dedicated power supply. So on the pilot basis, we are taking up Shillong and Tura civil hospitals. In case if there is any eventuality of outages and all these things, so that we can provide uninterrupted power supply to these hospitals. So accordingly, we have requested the government to give us a plot of land in the sericulture office campus in Tura, which we will utilize to go for a 33 by 11 kV and 5 MVA substation dedicatedly for Tura Civil Hospital. And to augment other areas also, we have asked for government land opposite to Danagiri BSF camp and another one at MTC land in Dakopgiri. And government has agreed to give this these 3 plot of land. And with this 3 substation coming at Tura, the load factor of Tura will be taken care of so that there is no excess load and then substation goes out of the service and all these things.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela ba apoleng do ulong ba ke Sarkar Jela kan cemkia lada giok pediang ya kejung ujor lada don kejing lam ki kena arit sebar ke Jela. Uba apoleng do ula kerana kani kedai halor kejing dawa badiban pendelong ya kejing toket da ka fact finding team ke Jela bante be kejing don jiki kena senrang ba kentai kebela syalam ki kenhon na kebenta ban yo ya kejing hikai sebar ke Jela. Kam tam hadian bagla don kejing ja bagi kena iklayo ke bam ke belasa ni ke food poisoning ha ke Jela Karnataka. Hakaba arngut ki kena pulian na Meghalaya kila do no ela kejing im. Uba poleng do ulong ba ke Sarkar kan penti kena kejing singanya man lagi nang Meghalaya ki balet ne pulia sabar ke Jela. Badai na kena daw ba commissioner ba secretary ke Tenat Korbari ke Jela ulalet hi dala dia ban mikmat ke Jela ban jingo ke hospital hakaba ki arngut kila klat no. Ulong ba ke Sarkar kan lelut iki ban lap kejing shisha lor kejing klat no jong kini ki arngut ki kena senrang. Baru Sekretari ke Tenat Korbari ke Jela unsa IT ke Kaipot, jauh sembut Menteri Rangba ubah kemiru ke Tenat Korbari ke Jela. Baca Menteri Rangba bakin Syem Yakarai.
See, primarily, I agree to what you say, but on this very matter, it's very important also for all stakeholders, especially civil society, members of civil society, to bring it to our notice. Now, nothing of the kind has happened so far. It's just happened that in this particular instance, that the boys actually lost their lives, which is why it got the attention that it got. Actually, nobody even heard about such boys being indoctrinated and being kept in these homes for reasons which you have already spelled out. So I would request all concerned, especially the village heads, to bring such issues to the notice of the government and to the Department of Social Welfare. We will take cognizance of all such complaints. There could have been consent given by parents, consent being given by guardians, in which case government has little role to play. But where there are specific complaints of minors being abused for purposes of religious conversion, we will certainly take cognizance of such complaints. But it has to be specific information. Okay.
Ka Darbar Mang Tengka ke Balai Sengi jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kelas sedang haksi balang jangka tayo. Pada gini ke Sengi, executive member ubah kami ekatenat pelatengka, ubah sebor lang warba, ulawan ra eka Mang Tengka ke Balai Benai lan eka vote on account. Banla ban peniat cakamat yakikam jangka council. Executive member beri kami ekatenat pelatengka ke KHADC ubah sebor lang warba. Ulawan ra eka Mang Tengka ke Balai Benai neka vote on account hagi yang Darbar Mang Tengka jangka KHADC kebelah sedang ke arpun rew trik uleber arhajar arpusan bat kebankot ke arpu pratrik uleber arhajar arpusan hagi jengkren jang ba sebor lang warba ulaong menamar baka executive committee berim kalau kutno hakalai pu trik uleber arhajar arpusan kumta executive committee ke betamai keempat la banwan ra eka Mang Tengka ke Bapura jang kesenam arhajar arpusan arpun rew Bat namar ke jing timit kepor, lalak ban penkrai ke Mang Tengka ke Balai Benai ke vote on account, ke ban sedang naduk trik uyayong arhajar arpusan, haduk kalai pau trik ujeleu arhajar arpusan. Bat ke Mang Tengka ke Bapura jang kesenam arhajar arpusan arpun riau ansawan ra ha ke Darbar ke Banwan. Uli thok bagi jing pendelut na kebenta ke Mang Tengka ke Balai Benai, kan long na kebenta ke General Administration, ke banlong Praklur Sanpu Arlak arpu kendahajar san sepak Sanpu Tengka, na kebenta ke tenat law kat nyulak merupakan hajar kendai sepak Sanpu Tengka, na kebenta ke revenue budget bat ke tenat pelatengka, kalong arklur merupakan lak laiku prahajar lai sepak Sanpu Tengka, jong ke tenat forest arklur Sanpu nyulak sanajar sau sepak Sanpu Tengka, na kebenta ke administration of justice bat ke tenat judicial, kalong shiklur nyo polak Sanpu arhajar kendai sepak lai Tengka, na kebenta ke tenat legislative kalong arklur arpunyolak sanajar sau sepak nyo Tengka, na kebenta ke tenat pulih putih kalong lailak rapu nyo hajar nro sepak Sanpu Tengka, na kebenta ke tenat civil works bat development kalong kat san kelur rapu arlak kendai pulih hajar kendai sepak Sanpu Tengka, bat na kebenta ke enforcement scheme for protection of tribal land and interest department kalong shiklur nro punya ulak kan nro hajar nyo sepak nyo Tengka. Kebabarok kapoi syakalai pusan kelur sau pusaulak san pusan hajar nro sepak Tengka. Ulang ru bagajeng sim kelum lang halor jeng Mang Tengka na kini gelai benai kalong hakbasiu tulop ya kini khot jeng ke council ke officer kinong bishar kinong trai kitnat boper ru kinong trai ke blasong that jeng ke council bat kiwe kikam ke bamla ban kiar hakba penyat ya kejeng sensyar jeng ke council.
Syukur Allah. Bila dia tersamai mereka juga setiap komiti kabaran. Kalau purno hadiah yang kecil kemari. Ya kini khot juga council hak election kabaran sudah bisa. Ini perlu pengusulan Mang Tengka pengusulan arhajar arpusan. Kan purno hak lain petrik urber arhajar arpusan. Kumbah kalong mentah Executive Committee kampala banwanra syakyi ya Mang Tengka ke Bapura jurusnam arhajar arpusan arhajar beliau nama kecil kimit cukup kuat but ya mentahi lapan fed ya Mang Tengka ke Balai Benai vote account kapal sedang bersidarik benaya yong arhajar arpusan hadu lai putrik benaya beliau arhajar arpusan ia kamang tuka bakura usnam arja berpesan arja berkamil on sawanra hakasin syong dawa kaplan syong kunawar berondong ke executive committee ka anglo panyui bakane ketin pun tukaw kan long muna baka ya kejat wanwanra ia kesinsyat pada kaubet kabalan kam tatung keriti sinsyat tu keriti dia baki ai bakat pang tu kejat keriti cui kinde kelsa lampang executive committee katman wanwanra ia kontrai kam pertmai mungkinkan ban penha kontrai tatung kejingnya cukup ia kapangin siap on salah pandai dia agak kesamui mereka bapakan syukia kini punya ban pendem di kamera di idol kam kapong sandi syukulon kali kecingman teka perlu pelai dah kamal teka nak berda baru kita nak mereka juga council kalau ini geran nomor penengkong jadi General Administration Department kalau Rakror san puharlak arpnai jar san spasan kau keran nomor A kebaidai bekalol department kanyawak urip sana jar arpnai spas kau keran nomor balai kebaidai bekal revenue budget finance department Arklor urip san lak lai raja lai spasan kau ka keran nomor sa kebaidai bekal forest department kalau arlo san penyolak san ajar saus panggil buka kerana bersan kepada administration of justice and judicial department kalau ciklur nyugulan san waraja lais panggil buka kerana memariu kepada legislative department kalau arlo penyolak uriu san ajar saus buka kerana menyem obedai bagi education department kalau lainlah punya bicara untuk bahasa mereka.
Justice Balasong Thad BP Kataki ubakle eka committee kabalathong dak yang syari Meghalaya High Court. Hakala sing ublay jong katayo ulapan jeng pencai na sarkar jela hakabedai ban kakai pot jong aerial survey kablale hapot jong ka 10 km radius jong ki jaka lum doyong ki badan hagi Southly ki district jong ka jela. Justice Balasong Thad BP Kataki ubakli eka committee bathong daka Meghalaya High Court ulapan jing syah lor kakai pot jong ke aerial survey bal penlong hapok ka 10 km radius jong ke jaka lum doyong ki balale aki South League district kata East Janda Hills, West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills but South Garo Hills. Habakiran kilat patai kubor ka arp South Trip leber arhajar arpusan hadin kejing yalang Justice Kataki ulong bag sarkar hakasnam arhajar ka khandai kala ai ka affidavit hagi yang syari bahedu hakari Supreme Court bapni ki jaka belum yudoyong. Halor kini la betha bande ke survey lat no yudoyong ladap shim jingkhen namar ka committee ka kwa bani I hapok kene 10 km radius udan ne am udoyong bam padap shim jingkhen. Halor ke jing ujor belum mudoi deki sawut brio persya ka kamti doyong bian ha South Garo Hills. Ukataki ulong baga kai pot jing toket kene ka kam lada ban IT deka committee ka bakliat unaba bahata charji. Bagi dang toket lor kania dak bak dauru bak sarkar kala betha deputy commissioner ke district South Garo Hills ban penlong ya ke jinglet pensisha marmet bat IT ke kai pot hapok shtayo. Halor ke jing sedang jong jing ti doyong dak jing start science ha Meghalaya ukataki ulong bakam dei bandan kabor ke ban kemi ya kania. Omdan balak ban batai bakala bandan ke jing ti doyong bian hang ne ha Meghalaya dai kawe ka kam ke balaya thu ba kanu ke jing bet balai ben ti doyong dak jing start science kadan ka kendon ka ba padi I nrele thu ba ke jing kle la tan rong hakinong ti doyong bakin tablot ki kram doyong hapok ka 10 km radius na ke benta kajaka ka baki kitrei.
I have concentrated on two issues. One is about the aerial survey we have directed to be conducted in 4 districts, that is East Janda Hills district, then West Khasi Hills district, then Southwest Khasi Hills district and South Garo Hills district. Those were found to be major coal producing district based on the coal dumps found in the inventoried coal. And we have directed the government to conduct the aerial survey within the 1 kilometer radius of the coal dumps found. Means we have the government in 2019 submitted the affidavit before Supreme Court indicating the coordinates where dumps are available. So based on that, we have directed to conduct a survey other than the coal which has already been inventoried. We want to see whether within that 1 kilometer radius there is coal other than inventoried coal. And that report has been submitted. We discussed that report, number one. Number two, we have discussed relating to the 4 complaints filed by 4 individuals, and based on that, a report has been submitted by an inquiry committee headed by Mr. Nawab Bhattacharjee, and there is further inquiry to be conducted, field verification required to be conducted, for which the government has already directed the Deputy Commissioner South Garo Hills District to conduct that physical verification and to submit a report within a week. And that report I am expecting after a week. The survey within 1 kilometer radius.
Yes.
This has very recently been completed. A report has been submitted to me, if I am not wrong, on 19th of March. We have discussed, and I wanted certain clarifications, which clarification I am expecting tomorrow. So far, no, because so far I have directed only identified 4 districts. Having regard to the inventoried coal, quantity of inventoried coal found in those districts, the major district being East Jaintia Hills district. Is the major coal producing district.
Which are other districts apart from East Jaintia Hills?
East Jaintia Hills district, Southwest Khasi Hills district, West Khasi Hills district, and South Garo Hills district.
So, like now scientific coal mining has started in the state. So, will it somehow, this coal will get mixed up with this newly extracted coal under scientific coal mining?
There has to be an authority to oversee it. Nobody can rule out that possibility if the illegal mining goes on here in Meghalaya. But one thing I have been told that in the permission or whatever may be the permit given for scientific mining, there is a clause, I have not seen it, but I have been told there is a clause where the responsibility has been fixed on the scientific miner to close all the pit heads found within the 1 kilometer radius of their operational area. Whenever any coal is found presently, because all the inventoried coal have been shifted to the centralized depot. So therefore, as on date, whatever coal is outside the centralized depot, CIL setup depot, all are illegal in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, any coal found other than in the centralized depot or designated depot is illegal coal. It is therefore the government's responsibility to act under the MMDR Act.
Sir, you've submitted more than 24 interim reports, sir.
Yes.
But even now we see like instances of illegal coal mining and transportation still taking place in different parts of the state. So what do you make out of this, sir? And do you think that the government is found wanting when it comes to taking action on this?
That is not my mandate to comment. My mandate given by the High Court was implementation of the Supreme Court direction and the NGT's direction. That means to oversee the auction of inventoried coal and to make an attempt, rather to stop the illegal coal mining activities, which includes the mining as well as the transportation. My entire effort is as per the mandate of the High Court. I will not say anything relating to the failure or otherwise of any authority. Whatever I have to say, I have already said in my reports. Maybe I have submitted 27th or 28th report. Exact number I forgot. Maybe 27.
Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding ke Jela Meghalaya Abu Tahir Mandal hagasing palai jong katoyo ula pentip ulayo egejing kershan ke Bapura na Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban penjenai ke Rukom Terekam jong ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat ban penmi ke boarding ha ke Jela bat ketenat ke Lepit Ngor bat syemi ke senjam ke badan kam ban penti kenai ke jingsingan jong kadam Yam habai keren kinong patai kubor Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding ke Jelau eti Mandal ulong bulaya agajeng kershan ke Bapura no Menteri Rangba ban penjanai Rukom Terekam jong ke MEECL ban same ke boarding. Ulong bagi padba ke Jela ke Jumat agajeng pelik boarding bahnyo hadok kendai kenta sisngi hagasnam arajar arpulai. Remeta gedang lat agajeng pelik ke boarding elektrik. Ulong pat bagi padba ke samat agajeng syap pelik ke boarding na ketenat MEPDCL namarkan lek ke kamar remot lengba ke revamped distribution sector scheme. Berkene mentah karang ya cekmat. Ueti mandal ula kenturu kipat ba bakin pentip skibor ketenat boarding ada kiyo ke bil ke bamyaha berkerukom tang na penankam ya ke boarding elektrik kenang bakatenat ke badi kemi kan yo oleh ke badan kam. Ulong bakadan kedau bakiyo ke baitang boarding berkene kalak bendai namar baki brio ki siuduna lani ki klemsio haki benai ki berlej. Bakila rubandan dekiyo ipat gidau kum gajeng bakla ban kenya ke bil. Eti mandal uletho bagatanat kalapit ngor bahabat shimru ikisenjam ke badan kam ban pentikna ban penne ekjingsingan jong ka den ha yam bagajing sokya menta kalong bagalakam duna hendrei hadian bale ya ka kamaramat lengba ka dam rehabilitation and improvement project ulong bala perkeng ya kajingyat ki kali ki bakit kya dag bobo akamat ya kajingsingan jong kane ka den balapit perman bahaya kena kebentar degi pulet bagi beriu nak tenat boarding. Menteri Sarkar ulapan paru gejeng sokya bagai kebanja hadin habut balakut ok kerta jong kene kadam. Ulong bakane kadai kaba bahan namar baka dam yam ka ayum syaki arspa 100 megawatt jong kisau unit ku yam. Berkumjur ku True Power Project batamai hajan bernihat. Ulong bakilekran hendrai kempat shimlala ban shibakan kono garai hendrai sokya bahaya kene kam. Eti mandal ula pentip bagi Sarkar kalau bensyat akan National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL bahkan pen create detail project report nak bentaman senai kawai pat ke surak ban peniat ki kali ke bakit kya nama ke jingkiang ha yam kadai ke belatai bat pianat ok senam syajar kendai sepaan repusan.
Actually, as far Umiam Bridge is concerned, we always tell as Umiam Bridge, but for us in MEPGCL or MECL or in Power Department, we are more concerned with the health of the dam. And after the drip work that has been completed, seepage has been minimized. And we have restricted the passing of heavy vehicles considering the safety of the dam only. Now the question is that what it will be in near future when the life span is over. Yes, this is a challenging issue because Umiam Dam is supplementing water for 216 megawatt of the 4 units of Umiam and also the new True Power Project near Barnihat. All the waters are going from Umiam reservoir only. This is a matter of concern. We are discussing also, but as of now, we have not taken any concrete decisions. Hopefully, it will be discussed and deliberation will be there that what it will be there. But technology is fast changing. So that way also, maybe there will be some technology that the life can be further extended also. But nevertheless, we are concerned.
So right now, the government is constantly monitoring.
Yeah, we are constantly monitoring. That is there. Our people are stationed there. Even we have kept the police force there so that the safety of the dam is maintained.
So I just wanted.
Actually, there is lots of discussion, and as per my information, NSIPDCL has been entrusted to find an alternative route and prepare the DPR for the same. I think work is on and it is in very advanced stage. We'll be having an alternative bypass and it is required also because this bridge was when constructed and commissioned, it is in the year of 1965, way back. And that time the vehicle load capacity was also low. So considering that time, whatever the position was there, the bridge has been designed. Now many vehicles are carrying huge loads also. We need a different bridge with the load capacity and all these things.
Unang isadaan jaka kenhun keng atiar kah Nyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC ubak Fernando Sangpliang ha kasisa jan jaka tayo kabalalet. Ulong bag Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal kalapan bed bahag kakandai terik uyayong arhajar arpusan. Kan syong bishar ya kejing mudoi ke HNLC halor kejing syak ken bean biang sa sansnem ha ke Sarkar India. Unang isadaan ke HNLC ubak Fernando Sangpliang uliyatho bag Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal kalapan bed ya kakandai terik uyayong kum katarik kabahadian pat ban bishar kejing ujor balamudoi da kasang HNLC hadian bakala syaken bean sa sansnem ha ke Sarkar Pedeng. Habakran ikilat patay kubor hak arpu artrek uleber arrajar arpusan ubah Fernando Sangpliang litu bahag jing bishar kebelalong menha ka sengisa jahan kebelalek. Lapar syang ban IT yang syokos nrekat kum ki kendon ka tribunal kan amsya namar bah trek balabu kalong bah kakalai trek urempang arrajar arpusan kedega trek ban IT kejubab nejing persya akabedai bat kejing penjelan biang yak jing syaken bean. Hakabak Sarkar Pedeng bat ka Sarkar jelak la ban IT ki affidavit jongki. Ubah Fernando Sangpliang ulong bakum tahun hak baniat syakamat halor kania bada katayo kemenuan nakliang ke Sarkar Pedeng bak Sarkar jelak kan sa IT ki kopi jong kejing pensisya jongki rengkat bat ki affidavit bada ka kendai trek yayong sekali jengkli ya baru kisaki bel IT ke Sarkar Pedeng bat ke Sarkar jela.
Today this is my first appearance before the tribunal. After I have appeared in the tribunal, the result is that from the tribunal I have made a submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. I have made my submission before the tribunal, before the court of Sumitra Saikia, the landed justice of the Guwahati High Court. I have made my submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. But as per the procedure of the tribunal, they were not allowed because the rule of the procedure, if the time has been fixed on the 13th of February 2025 to submit my reply or objection regarding the intention of to lift the ban HNLC for to make the HNLC as one of the organizations that it should not be banned for a period of 5 years. That is my argument on behalf of the tribunal. But just as I make earlier that the rule of tribunal not allowed. So my next point from the today only from the tribunal, they make clearly that from the state, from the union government, they have already submitted their affidavit. They have already filed the affidavit. Today I just enter appearance, but from my point of view, from my legal point of view, I try to submit my show cause. But as I stated you earlier that as per the rule of the tribunal, they were not allowed. So we have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross-examination. So by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross-examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government. Based on that, on the 9th of April 2025, I have to cross all the witness in this instant case.
Hadian ke jingyo jing tip na kireu pat ba ba wei ubreu ulan no ayap ha kapung umyam ha kasin sa jan. Kumta Ketanat State Disaster Response Force rengkat bat kipulet jangka Fire and Emergency Services kila penlong ya kejing wat ya kena gamet bat ha kasin ublei kila yok bansai no ya kena gamet yap. Kibor ke State Disaster Response Force kipulet ke Fire and Emergency Services bat kipulet ke distrik Riboy ha ka arp sau trik uleber ar hajar arpusan kila yok banta megamet yap jang wei orang ba na kapung umyam. Kat kong ka kubor beli olum liat ho bagi pulet kili ojing tip na kiri upat ba halo gejing no yap jong weu brio na gejing kieng jong kapong umyam ha ka arbulai terik ulber ar hajar arpusan ha kapor kumbakat ar baji IH teng sengi liat ojing tip ru bau ni brio ubala no yap kapong umyam udai belatip kerteng British deb ubasong masa akan Chestress Shillong bat udai ubadan ru kedukan DTR elektronik halas stop laban tang mari ojing tip ulo kene gejing ja Kilahir marmar sekali kejaka ban persang manuat kemet diap jung nu brio. Ndrai dai hadu ke arp sau terik ulber bagi pulik kli aban tam kemet diap ju bat pendapat ya kejing tokit. Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Jela Meghalaya Rakam Sangma ha kesin kong jong ketayo ulalu me kejing elang ban syong bishar halor kejing pentrai kejing tai hiki school bat ki college ke badang saateng ke badan ha keleng jong ke Jela Meghalaya. Hakini kejingelang ledon lang MLA Kemoplang constituency uba Matthew Beyond Star Kurba bat ki head officer Ketenat Pulih Putih ha ka bakle tai sani ki project ke berang saateng jong ki school bat college kam tame ha ka bedai bat ka science bat commerce college Kemoplang Mahendraganj Pathar Khama bat Rongjeng Habai kran bigla patai kubor Rakam Sangma ule thu bakle kran ru alor kejing pentrai ya ka diet ha William Nagar ki Polytechnic ha baro ki district untuk East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, West Janta Hills, Riboy, West Khasi Hills. Bala batha ki officer bat ki contractor ban pen state no ka kam ban pendep ki project. Ulang balengba Commission Education ke Sarkar Kalamang Pisa ban Maramot ya palat Syajar Nreus Pak Pratligi School ha ka bakladan ki district bala pendep ban Maramot Nrei dan pat ki district ki baklampat sedang Satya ya ki kam. Uli tu bagi district ki baklampat sedang ya ki kam Maramot ki school ki kentup ha East Khasi Hills kata ha Mausenra Meliam Mauplang Block. Ha East Janta Hills ha Kleriat Block. Ha West Janta Hills pat kedai ha Amlarem Block, ha Riboy kedai ha Umsning bat Umling Block, bat ha Eastern West Khasi Hills kedai ha Mauthat Raishan Block. Ulong bakani kejing slam kedai namar kejing penslam ki kontraktor namar kejing bam Yojaka. Namar kejing bam biang kejing mang Pisa, namar kejing ha kaliang ki technical line bat kiwe-kiwe. Menteri uliat tu ru bagi dan lightly ki block bagi Sarkar hadu menta kampat Yojaka bantai ki skol EMRS bat naki laipu prat ligi skol EMRS ke ba ke Meghalaya kayo kat lightly ki skol la sedang ban pentrai bat na pedang arpulai telipat kila don kadro teli ke badang don hapedang gajing tap tanda bat kesengi ke bakat do kedai ke arpusan tarik uleber.
We have called this review meeting to review the status, the progress of all the pending project infrastructure across the state, the different district. So we have reviewed and we have found out that there are some pending project for last 10-15 years also. So we have to complete the pending project at the end that we have called this review meeting. There are projects like the construction of the Science and Commerce College in Mauplang, the Mandagans, Pathar Khama, like Rongjeng College, diet construction in William Nagar, Polytechnic, and all the district like in South Garo Hills, in Jowai, and in the Nongsten, in Atlaskans, in all districts. So we have reviewed at the different states of progress. We have come out and we have instructed and directed our officers and also the implementing agencies to speed up for the completion, for the immediate completion.
What are the reasons for this delay? Is it because of past government?
They are at a different reasons. Some are because of contractor was very slow. Some project was some technical issue was technical issue was there. So we have discussed today. We have reviewed, and there are some planning because of some issue to be addressed at a different level. Some are because of land issue. There are various issues that have been pending because of all this. We will taking up wherever necessary at different stage. There are some projects which are required to be coordinated at the DC level. There are some projects which are to be coordinated at the director level. There are some projects which are coordinated to be at the finance and planning department level. There are some to be intervened by the DC, right, for all this. So there are various projects of different nature, of different kinds.
Kinong yalam ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association hagala asni ublay jengka tayo kilalit ikendu yo Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Banpen pa wigijing sokya halo kijing mi kinsan ki kerdap lum khajna hagapor ka badang trekam ka Model Code of Conduct. Hagapor bapenlong ki election sha ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Kinong yalam ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association kilalit mani kendu yu Chief Executive Member ka KHADC ubak Syambor Lang Renja. Bat pentip halor kejing mi kinsan ki kerdap belum khajna ka council hakalang kari khasi. Na kejing yo ka order na ka council ka bela penmi hakapor badang trekam ka Model Code of Conduct. Habakira ni kilat patai kubor President ka Nega Association ubak Amas Kalendar Marngar ulitu baik ni ka order lasoi du Deputy Secretary ke Executive Committee jangka KHADC hakapor badang trekam ka Model Code of Conduct. Hakaba kilapen trekam haman lagi distrik berkila buat degi kerdap belum khajna. Ubak Marngar ula keno bakadan kejing pendan kam baklai ka bor namar hakapor badang trekam ka Model Code of Conduct ke penmi ya ke hukum banbu kini ki kerdap krong khajna. Bat ula kedauru bekat kum kejing saki jong kinong nya atrok hi kalong balada kepisa ke ba ki kerdap ka council kli olum syaka council kamut baga district council kelarus pa abha nrai kamlong satya kumta. Namar kini kepisa kampoi syaka nrai syakiriu shimet. Uli itu bagi trok ki hak bansio habrok ki kerdap krong khajna bat kidan ru gilenti kaba kat bagi lap halenti bakadan kajing syak penbor banak pensiau kena kepisa namara dam ai kajing syak berngem kalong kebabuat bat kebacur bah uli itu bah katan riboy bat West Khasi Hills kadai kebabon ki kerdap lum khajna ka council kaba na motion road syak atiabari om itu itau syuk ki kerdap krong khajna wat ki kali et masiru ki hak pensiau ka khajna bat kajing krong khajna kalong kebam tikna dan ki por ke bagi pan syajar tengka dan pat bagi hak pensiau san sepat tengka. Kilong syok baka bakham sengo tamula kalong baha kapor mensengi kila ban krong arspa haduk lai sepat tengka ndrai on dalam miat pat ki krong syahajar haduk kat san sepat tengka dan ki kerdap bagi beliau tang ladap san steng jan miat kila pet badan pat ki kerdap khajna gi bam don beliau mensengi ndrai ki badan tang ha kapor men miat ubak marngar ulietu hagan kejing kendo badu Chief Executive Member badu Chief Executive Member ula penpau banamar bagi Executive Committee belailam dengan VPP kadang sushimti thamai banamar kejing don kedorbar mang tengka ke bansa sedang kumta kenang don kam kapor banlum ya baro ke officer bakin sakot biang ya kena ke kenhuan hadian
amar don kejing syak stom kejing lada don teng lada ki kadon ke misuse of power na kini ki nong kibengel apa kini porjan election no jan election kidon ki pentai ke ba ki penon kam di bor jong ka ain do oh nama ni mana ni labu ni dengi ong teora kan syaka satanat ngi mla bande kunta kata ih dekat long baik kun kata ka dada giri tax ngi la bonong tadi kun kata ka gunda tax hak ji i ke jong ni kampoi re syaka kebun imat kampoi re syaka konsil dada kampoi konsil terai ka konsil tak la lega konsil ka burus patam maka ni ka jala ka jongi kat kum bijing yat jongi kita ki try badai hok ki try trok tak ya trok kan ya bisa bangila ais ki mensua bangi nengkong bangi ong yepi ka hapkan lu ban kong hakapor bangi yaki mensua no di por jong ki angut ki im di barin mo di ba titos ba penya nila ban ong ba mentai ki don 100% adu ko por 100% mentai ki dang don kidang yai don nakali yang kini ki git ki don haman lagi hajan man lagi distrik mana lagi distrik itu don ki bentai ki badon syariboy te bundi syariboy te janman na jaka man kilat serung turung seniru ki abu bad na kaju ka kali ki krong san riusin krong tenang ta syawes ru ki don ni kunta syawes ru bun belai ki don ni kumba seti santi balik dari namo sunu le ban yer seti tanya te beri le ki don gigit ki bam itu itau su ilumnya kanu la yon lut ki order tadi ba kawat kali kit ek lumi so nom ka order ban ap ha bandung adu kata ki ek ban tum jur tum sap de ba ya kan kai no tam map re ya kanu nu ban taru
Kanu gisik krong.
Kita kajing krong ke bom dah tikni tikna. Don ki benta wi pan sanspa, don ki pan syaja, don ki pan sanspa, kan ka pun kumar ba ya ki dekot jungi ka asen. Dan mesti kimpat dang kidang yabiang dia tibriu kila pan krong arspa lai spa, melamit la kham biang maki, la pan kiu syaja sanspa tu. Telara kim ai ki yeng de ki kalirit ki jongki ki pron kam de ki kun samla ni ki briu ke don shibun. Ladangi na liang ki dekot jongi stang ban yalum mong bingi nemi sansteng ribaji la phet. Tangi nimyo shu kigit don gigit ba mensi kim trekam menmit ki trekam don kim don sanbut mensi menmit adon sanbut duk ka jungi kolong ba ka jingmi menta sendet jongki digi kerdop lum khajana nadu shwa kani ka election shwa banlong kani ka election jong kani ka council bat menta kidon ki kerdop ki ba mi ka teng jo council boyo odoru na ka nang ni ne po council bakin krong bakin lum khajana na ban lum pisa naki kali jungi naki trok ha man laki district tena kali yang jungi hadin bagi la page ya kini ki order bagi la laba kadon ka order ka ba kila sign la issue ya kini order shua ka election ha ubnai Januari don ki kap bagi ayangi bagi sondur ya gitu ki order don ki kap kim ai yang ban sundur ye kitu ki order selang ba ka jing yo sundur jo ki khot ki jongi long ba kita ki hat evidence copy mo ngi la yo ang ni kalong ba ki don ka we ka order ka bangi la yo kalong nadu ki penai Januari ki don ki ba yo kita yo khadu jong Januari ya ka por banga try ka bakla kala de ka model code of conduct mo jong election tena kali yang jongi haba menta kini ki la yai penstom yang ki la pen boring bangin siu ki bisa na kali yang jongi ngim ai ya kini ki bisa Rangim ai bisa ki berngam bersit ki pendit ki don ki benta ki baki taktiru ya ki dekot ki jongi. Tena kali yang jongi kum ka kunhun ni le syong ya ka jingalang bat ka jing wan kan ka isi ka patmai. Tena kali yang jongi mentang ila rai dak si berwan ya kendu. Nama ladangi kum kita ki nong lap ki nong syam ngimwan ya tu. Te kum nu kini ki nong yalam jongi ki joka konsil kin tip ya kata. Tena kali yang jongi la le kendu ya ECM mentakasi bad ngila ai lang baka jing thoru bad ngile thu lut iktai ki asia kenele joki ki la ong ngi bakin lum lut barok khot yaki file kin khot lut ki officer ban page bnya alor kan benta nang ta kin sa khot biang la ni ki sapentip sangi lang baki no yalam ban pendek alor kan ka benta tena kali yang jong em ru ngila pen pau ya i mene ngi shem stom ma menta kalong ba ngila ya thu i ba menta kamut ba Baru khot kini kinong lum khajna ki berngam bersit yangi daka ai syuang do mentala dangi kitangi mau yo siap lani yak ding ru ya kino ki benta ki bangi kai ki nakaliang jongki kemut ba nakaliang jo konsil kino ap konsil ki berngam be yangi lada phimai kemut bangin le kumta phimai pe kani ka an golong kumta ki berngam bersit yangi kumta ba nakaliang jongi ngila jubab ya ki ni kino update ba ngila ya tu so CM DM ru menta baru khot mentala khang yangi daka an jongka sarkar jela nang ta jongka anjuk sarkar kini nang ta hakikut mong gila khang lut yang banne ya kanu tengi na ong iki banang liang joko konsil hajing shisha yangi menta kum ki try jaka mo nadu kinong kahi lagi try tro lapan up ingi daka white lam ada yang sarti na rendah tengi i kemi lenti baka konsil kan lau kenya kata handrena kali yang joko konsil gemut baki kenyat penban yangi sya kata ka white lam bangin ngin mensau lani ngin yuan mi kijing yang ngi tengah sngoba kam kade ka benta tena kali yang jong UCM ru gila kubur ya kata tena jong ki du session ban lau ban kan bala ban snai ki an ban like na kini ki an ba kade be tu ku pada sarkar jela lani bat ka an lani bat ka sarkar kini kata ka assurance bagi ai na kali yang jong gila keli mene ya ECM bat ya ECM gila keli yong hal no pa dek ku ngin nang ai na mai tedang le jong i bai yong bangi pat bisar benia lani pat dum ya ke komiti na kali yang jong i ke mut ba in pat la pan ai shai lor kata na mar bale ngila pan i yong pe ba long da bong bala in siu tu e fi lo ba ngin ai na mar bale na mar kau we ki spotli ki tulget ki bala abdon menta kamu nak kaju kali ki krong bro spotli tengi suang dalong bala to ba long kalong ne amba kinia penbek sebab binom ai ya kata na kali langsung i impat patai syai impat la ban ai kanu ka karai bong ai nam ai da nakaliang jungi la karsai kama jungi ong bangi da ba ngi nom ai but nakaliang jungi mentala da kini ki brew ki ba up krong bisa surok la kim ai ngi ka hard copy ka evidence ka babiang nakaliang jungi kumutba ngin le poi ha kanu kanu rukom ru ni niat bisa prang kum ki try trok bat kinong nya trok
Namar kejing dan kejing ja aksiden ki bakha kha pada kejing tumu banwan ra ya kejing singan bat banyadai kejing em ki banya ki kali bat ki thok bat kumjo ru ki pat ba ki bayat bayeng sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubah kami ke tenat transport ubah senyawa Balanghar ulang bak sarkar Jela kan sepen mi ke jing pen bena ban pentre kamno daka speed limit hakal lengki surak jong ke Jela. Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ubah kami ke tenat transport ubah senyawa Balanghar ulah penting bak sarkar kan sepen mi ke jing pen bena ban pentre kamno daka speed limit hak surak baper jong ke Jela. Komisi bentah bendadai gejing em bat ban penunai gejing ja aksiden kali bat wanra jing singa nyabrok kinong yat nong yeng. Haba kiran hiklat patai kubor hak arpsau terik uleber arhajar arpusan ubah senyawa Balanghar ule itu bola dep isyok jing yalang bat barok kitenat beren bentah kena kam halor gejing singa nyagi surok. Da kebakedo baketenat kelapen kere ekane bat hapo ar nelai benai ansala penwara gejing penbenah lor puat jong gejing nya stat gi kali hagi surok baper hagi jakasor bat ki surok ba. Ubah senyawa Balanghar ule itu ru bagi sarkar kelabatha ketenat pulet ban pentikna ya kejing perkeng halor kejingnya kali klam akor bat barok ketenat beren bentah kakam labatha agi begin syem ya barok kisenjam mantek lakam kejing ja aksiden ha kejaka bala itu kum kijaka bejujur bha kejing ja aksiden ulong syuk bagi dan kijaka ke baju jab ha kejing ja aksiden kum ta ketenat kelabatha bade ban penbet ya kejing batha ban pentikna kejing duna kejing ja aksiden hadian habut.
On road safety, we used to have once in a year, so today we are having it. All the related department, they are trying their best to cooperate and coordinate with the other line department. Yes, maybe not up to the mark, but they are working very hard. And we are insisting them to work harder, so at least to make sure that there will be less accident on the road in future. You see, yes, when the report is there, so yes, there is few locations which accidents frequently happen, so we suggest that we see what we should do, what corrective measures should be there. For example, if there is any near the school, we advise them to put rubber strips, speed breaker, and if there is any cough which is frequently accident to place, we advise them to see how to correct the place. Something that is always to prevent accidents. Not only to the two-wheelers, even for the vehicles, we request the police to make sure our speed should be strictly prohibited. We are working towards that. Maybe in a matter of 2-3 months, we'll be able to come with notification to notify this is the speed limit for a particular road and for a particular junction.
Okay, thank you.
Hakala sing ublay jong katayo kinong yalam kador barsnong maupun ksat kilalit ay de kador khas u deputy commissioner ka district Ribhoy bakim persya ai ruem machna surok 4 lane neka over speed corridor. Nrei kilakentu badai ban syim kiapat bagi tolong kimdai ban syakta na kejing penterekam ya kene ke project. Da kejing sokya ya omi kano kejing syakta ke tolong bam di na kejing sna surok 4 lane la neka over speed corridor hak arp sautre ugleber arhajar arpusan kinong elam kador barsnong maupun ksat kilalit ikendo yo deputy commissioner ke district Ribhoy bat buru kador khas ban pentikna ba kejing sna kene surok ka namdan kano kejing ta ke tolong di. Inong ilam senong kemapun ksat belalam kemat orang ba senong ba bandari rentat yang badu secretary ba senrap nongrum ha kejing senran langru ki dekat ke senong kilalet kendo bat IT de kador khas u deputy commissioner u Abilash Baranwal na kaliang ba bandari rentat yang uli itu ba kejing kendo ya u deputy commissioner bat ban IT ru de kador khas kamut ba ke senong ke persya ya kene surok folin. Nrei kamat ke bekong sani kalong bagani ke surok kam daipat ban keta ke tolong di ki babsa omi ginong song mentar ki posnem uli tho ru bahagiji kendo jong ginong elam snong bat ki riu syampang jong ke company ka ban snai ke surok folin ka ban ya lengba ulum sapat beneng ula penti kena bagani ke surok kandon gejing jengai kumbashi spa sau meter ye ne ke tolong di la kataru daglang ka snong hi ka kwa da gejing tho ba gejing kular ka basai ba gejing snai ke surok ka dom keta apat ya kini ki tolong di hakis dam ki wanwan shosho ula pentep bah gejing kendo badu deputy commissioner kinong ilam snong glayo gejing kular bagi bor penia district ken sakmi ibnia alor gejing snai ke surok folin ban omdan satya kanu kuno gejing sakta ki tolong di ban la dadonru an sapet senge ashwa ya gejing pentrei ya kene surok
halor beide gene expressway surok 4 lane bagi sang bansna ikren syai bangi krem persya ya ketik surok tang ba kai ke bangi ai ke jing tho kalong ba ketika surak kaya na po lum spet benang snong jungi ka ham na po te abang akli yakini ki nong survey ke surak ki ong ba ka tulung jungi bat ke surak kala jengai sispa sau meter sispa sau meter mentang ai kundu disi ngong ba pihak ben pentikna yangi da ke jing tho lara hadien chipo ka transnem yo le se ketika ga do na ketika jing ti te khndo itu tulung ma kita ketika nala ke bawan te na khrau yo kitab no kita kendo bati pihak ba yang ida jing tho ban pentikna ba kita tulung kinom kita mar boleh ngi kum ga dor barsnong ho nimsha kita syu ketika surak tenrai tulung pat kiba nilayo mentala baro shir baro ngano nala baro shir ta jingem ma kala poi kiyeng ketika we na gisnong ru kabalayo ya ka National Award halar beri ke JJM ketika bala trei baru dan dawan ketika surak kan do na ketika tulung desai ketika jingtre stom jongi kino yalam snong dei bakarai tengah marwe kumurang basnong kenika dei karai ke bau pajba ula sim ya karai bat ke jingtho ka bangi ai di siro ka bala san lu du pajba boro pajba no snong ula san kenika jingtho ban pentikna bagi pajba hi ki kwa be da ke jingtho ban pentikna bo te kenom do hadien ba pisna lene survey ketika surak kita ketika jingkendu jungi DC ban nagalyang DC ila simkha yang bangi kum ki DC ngi de ginong tre jong pajba ni long kloi ba ngin pentikna kita ba kita tulum gum de ben kita bala da kita ru ngin pensange lada kimla ban pentikna kita tulum ngin pensange ya jing tre DC la kan sai gum ta tengin nang up ya kapor kan long nem gum bai kren te nagalyang do bosnong nilayai da galenti ngilai da jing tho te kene ke galenti bangi niwan banyi kendo ban penbet ye jingya te lada ka sarkar lane ka district administration kim sim kya halar be kene ngi don da wei pat galenti bangi nya chikman tata kade ka message nagalyang dor barsnong ma kurkshan
ki patba nong shong ki bahab apo karat nong kharai jong nong po sirdarship hak sesajan jakatayo ko balalej kileshim banta hak dorbar pelun ke bala penlong hak office terikam karat ka badan hak snong jentru hak bagi letai sani ke jing dan kam ban khanglat ya ke jing den ya ke jing lilam ya ke jaka shiki breo ke banabar karat kiletai ru kumno ban shim ya kilat kilenti baneda ya kilum kiwa bat ban kiar na ke jing thang pathar ya ki klau dak jing angnut bane mer jing mut dak benta ke bet ka biang kisnong ki thau bat kumjuk ki pat ba nong snong ki bahab apo karat no kharai ka bahab apo ka nong po sedarship haka arpu ar tedek ulber ar hajar arpusan kinong yalam karat kila pelong dak dor barat pelon ke basi senci islam ya ke bela pelong hak office terekam jong karat hak snong jentru leishim betah nega jingelang do ba Moses sengkli leng do karat nong karai uba Stephen Maring secretary uba Vincent Makri assistant secretary nelor kirang ba snong ba kinong yalam jong snong baper ki bahab apo karat nong karai Habagaran ni kinong thok kubor uba Moses sengkli ule thok balang ba kene kador barat pelon layo banimir jengmut lo shibun kimat ki bakongsan kajing dan kam bandri ala kariti dustor ban khangla de kajing dia lilam ki jaka shiki bri banabar karat namarkan kata ka pateng marwan nang ta kajing dan kam mane trelang kumno banadai kilom kiwa ban kiar na kajing thang khlau pathar ka ba pendo jat ya kimrat bat kiwe kajing thau ba im uli tho ru bala ya kren halor kajing dan kam mane long ki bay teli ban ai kajing trelang hap nang ginong lam snong bat ki bor ka dor barat bat kajing pen trekam hok ya kinu ki skim belamang da ka sarkar jela kadang ban la ban penbet penbiang ki snong ki thau kam tam na ka benta ki khon ki hajar jong karat nong kharai kum ta leng ba kajing kendo lang ka si sen si snam lala ban pen urlong ya kini kajing dan kam baro Cushuru lapan pa bakum ka dor barat hi kanang yai beteng ban chakri ka bah kamiat ki snong ki bah papok kajing pet jong karat nong kharai Kinong yalam jong kakasi Students Union kilap diang sobhai kiri upau kumat kebalawan nakelang kiri kum shibenta bane shimbenta hak International Shillong Trade Fair kebalalong hamadan yoreng heb hala imkra. Bat kani ke trade fair kalau kut no hak balang jong ketayo. Kakasi Students Union kalap diang sobhai ya ki delegate ki buan nabari ki be shimbenta hak International Shillong Trade Fair kebar pulai ke barang yat menta. Kani ke trade fair ke diga bertemu ban kentiau ya kayok kokot ha ke pertai berkawai da ke jingi shim bentalang jong ki delegate ke belawan ke kiri kani ka International Shillong Trade Fair menta kalong hamaran yoreng heb alam kra kala sedang naruk kesantrik uleber batkan kut ha ka ar pundro trik menta uleber Ha ka jingalang ka bakarpang ka belapilong hasilong club ha ka arpu artrek uleber arhajar arpusan. Ki noyalam jaga KSU kila ai fublei bat pediang sobha ya kini ki delegate. Ba kila penpau ya ka jing sultanat ba ka jing don ka jongki. Kan wara ka jing kala ya ka emlang salang bat kayo kokot jong ka jela. Habakran ka jingalang u General Secretary ka KSU uba Donald V Thaba. Ulong ba ha ka joko por ni de menong ba pet ngor ba ya ka jing ya ki ba mi na ka jing rong kertep ba ka jing rong bean. Kam tam kum negeri Bangladesh dan Nepal. Dari ulapan pau pat ke jing sultanat ba ke jing wan jogi ni delegate ha ke ni trade fair kalong pat ban kentiu ya ke yok kokot. Ulong ba unget ba ke jing wan ke jongki kan kentiu ya ke yok kokot ke jela Meghalaya. Ula kenturu ikini ki delegate ba ken led syakiwi ki benta jong ke jelaru kenang ban lap ki jaka ke badan ke jing kring ha ke bedai bat ki kam jingok kai perthai. Habakran ha ke ni jing yalang u Vice President jong Shillong Trade Fair u Rajesh Das. Ulapan pau ke jing sngongo eka KSU na ke benta ke jing priang sngoba ke jongka. Bat kene ke pen iru ya ke jing ya buram bat ke jing kentiu ya kalariti jong ke jela jong bat ke jong kiwei. U General Secretary jong Shillong Trade Fair u Mit Das ulong ba ke KSU. Katrei ha ke ban pen klan ya ke jing bor ya ki samla barul ashibun ki jingmot ha ka ba KSU kelaban lek namban kentiu syo ya ki jingla jong ki samla hakala singu ble jong katayo ka office jong ka state tuberculosis officer rengkat gejing trailang bat kan National Health Mission kelapan long ya ki jingra ke ka World Tuberculosis Day ha usosotham auditorium hasilong bala samru iki khusnam Best Traditional Healer Contribution TB Free Village Award bat ya ka District Award. Komisi benta menpentikna bagi bayo ekajing pang tuberculosis ken yo ekajing sumar ka bapaka. Katenat kokoi ka kya omtang baka ekajing sumar ka bayo ndai ka pentikna ru ban bang lai hajar tengka ibe nong pang ban pentikna bakin yo ekabam ka babha bat ka batai met ha ka por bigirang don ha ekajing sumar. Ya kenila pentip daga menteri katenat kokoi ka kya ekajala Meghalaya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo. Hak arp sau terik guleber arhajar arpusan ke office jong state tuberculosis officer National Health Mission ke Sarkar Jela kala penong ya kejing rake ke World TB Day ha ususotham auditorium ha kejing dan berkat i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo Kumi Kongsan i Dr. AJ Renja Assistant Program Officer NTEP Dr. JS Momin Director ke Health Services ke kena pulih bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran negara kesingi Dr. Ampurin Lingdo ilong ma kejela Meghalaya kalong ke bakut jingmut ban rat dengkong ya kejing pang TB na kejela. Ha ke bagat tenat kelashim shibun kisenjam ban ai kejing rap bepura ya ki bayo akena kejing pang. I Dr. AJ Renja Assistant Program Officer NTEP liatu bakum bakalong mentah kejing pang TB kalahir shibun. Bat katenat kele ban pendep ya ke screening ban buk dia ni kinong pang bakin testa ha kejing di dawai. Hagasnam arhajar arpusa wilong belayo dok saw hajar sanspa nyebu prangut ki brio ke bayo ke jingpang TB. Bat na kita kumpa propsan nak sispa ke balakot ke jingpang bat ke jingklat kalong satang saw hadu san nak sispa. Bat hagasnam arhajar arpusa kelanang kamduna syusyu ke jingklat nak ke jingpang. Nabarok ki district ru datang ke East Khasi Hills ke babun kinong pang TB. Namar ke district ke balabun brio tam kumba shpolak tam ba ke jing sapriang stat ke jingpang kadai na ke jingajan kiyeng. Halur kejing sapriang jong kunyang jingpang i Dr. Renja ilong ba omtang no kunyang jingpang bagi beriu kelak banyo ke TB. Ndai ke dairu na kejing bamla banyo bah kejing bam ke batei med ka ba penlong iki bakin kampang kha. Nalo kejing sa ka ke kamera baro baladan ki bapang baro kelak banyo bed. Nalur kane kadan ru ka ke jingpang ka ba pentot ke med kum ke jingpang sini kejing don kunyang jingpang HIV kejing pang khalai udah nuat nata pede ki bedi kiat bat kum gini gibreu kilong ke bakloi bani okem ya ke TB namar ke jingklot jokamet halor ke jingnyo bani gibreu ke bayo ke TB ilong ba omdei ban ken bani ke bayo ke TB namar ke jingpang ke bala ban sumar lada ununu breu bayo ke jingpang udi testai ke dawai bat kinyo ke jingkot bat uknyang jingpang TB uyap no tang lada unong pang udi dawai tikna hari ni kesini la samru iki kusnam Best Traditional Healer Contribution ka TB Free Village Award bat ka District Award Chabaro ke Beledan Bentah.
Government is ensuring that we say yes, we can end TB by committing ourselves. When we say committing ourselves, we say that we must intensify the TB campaign across the state. I also believe that we must ensure that we not only target and complete tuberculosis screening, but we also ensure that patients suffering from tuberculosis are covered under all assistance permitted by the government. We know that in the last 100 days, we have screened extensively across the state. We must reach out to the masses and we must ensure that the masses are aware of the threat of tuberculosis in our community and society. We will go all out and we must ensure that even after the 100-day TB elimination program, the state of Meghalaya will remain highly alert. We must ensure that tuberculosis becomes a disease of the past.
Namar kajing ke mamat de kinong RCR ke jela ha kasngi palejung ketoyo. Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ke jela uba ALHEC. Ule kendo ikinong yalam jangka Meghalaya Poultry Farmers and Welfare Association balashim mekarai bagi sarkar jela kan sathaw ke task force kaban kemi ikimat ke bedai bat kinong RCR. Menteri Ketenat Veterinary ke jela uba ALHEC hak arpunyo trek ulber arhajar arpusan. Ulalum de kejingalang baka kenhun jangka Meghalaya Poultry Farmers and Welfare Association banekran lor kejingdawa kene kenhun kabahadian kene kejingalang la shemekarai banthaw ke task force ban kemi ikimat ke bedai bat kinong RCR hak jela. Habakran ikilat patai kubor uba ALHEC ulong baka sarkar kan sathaw ke task force kaban kemi ikni gimat. Uba ALHEC ula pentip ru ya kene kenhun bakam dan gano kejingpang bird flu bat ka ne kabaki kren kedai kabaki lakadau ya ke belajar ke senam arhajar ka kendai arhajar arpau Haryana bakam dai setia belajar dangshan da kabakadau belada kedai ke belajar dangshan ke sarkar kanyo ejingtip bakat tenatkan amsngap jar na kaliang utkot jang association ba William Dingdo ulong ba keseng kelapan pa ke jing sokya ke jing penrung ke CR ke banabar ke jela kam tam ne ke jaka ke belapan na ba ke CR ke dik belayo ya ke bird flu. Habakado ki kubor ke belami uba Dingdo ulong bakladan kuai kali ke belalap baklawan ra ke CR na ke jela Haryana Punjab ke bade ke jela ke beladat ban penmena bad ini ke CR lalap no mardor bad amsyam la sya ki ban penrung syapok ke jela. Uba Dingdo ulapan pauru ke jing sngok menek ke bami na ke jing elang reki ku apat ban yo badai ban ino reki kamru kumjo. Da ke bakado ba ke sarkar kan sathaw ke task force mardor bakin don ru gi dekhot gi jongki ki ban long ki dekhot jong ka task force kanang bakin la ban pensno gi jingduna ne jing deko gi ban mi ekisni ban wan baki kimidenti balada mi kino ki jingduna on la ban simkhian o mardor ba sarkar kadai ban la ban penbet no yaki
idon hangne nadu ki parlok ke baywan na West Kasi Hill na Jaintia Hills bat kunju na Garo Hills kiba yawan yakaju ka jingtmu hakabedi bat klei lengba ki social media yaka jingmi jongi sha surok nakbenta ban yada kabide bat keneka kam kaba ngingi jutrai amar ku mengitip himenta ki bapun na ki state apo ka ri ke jongi kadon keneka bat flu kedeka jingpang clams ya kala kuno ki babon hi ki state kila dap ban khang ya ke jingwan rum ki siar ki banasha ki we ki jela ka jing temu ke jong iru akane ke por kalong ban karpat saka sarkar bakata ka jing pang kanemuan hakpo ka jela ka jongi nang ba ki nongrap jongi kin nom dunam baraju ke por ki nong bam doru ki niok ban bam ya ka do ka ba kisiar ki ba khoj ki bom pang ki ba khoj ki ba khia kata ki jing temu
Di kita list bangila ay ngila submit usha ka sorka di kala kan examine but lada haba kala munjur bukan kan buat ka task force but ngaki kermen ba nang ni syakmat kan kami kan long ege basang. Ikata ka task force kali ka first step nang ni syakmat ni ha ban penwandur ka ba khamba ban pen kiu shu ya ka rukam region ri haka yang ka poultry. Markan ega dai ka ba I come I jump ya yangi baro ya usamla hamtam ki badan sepo ke rural areas bangin light ban dan kata ke rural migration kepada napo sedang nakendong bikin wan lut baru sepo sedang selong ini dap syu egeng bani sang bani sak syu apa so selong lada baru ubri anu po nang kendong ini wan nomor unwan kundu lada umdan ke batri kam pre un hapan wan lada kala don ke pakai ula bani yo ban kamai jakpo na kata berarti ini kam rijingri berarti ula kamai ula syong pero kamne sebab kata ya kan pemberi juri di ngiru ni dan kata hak ban report sekali kata suppose nomor waktu makalong ni dan lang ba kan kata suppose
atau pihak tentang ini kebenta ba kadang gani bird flu kikwa on check XR lain poros kata inte pa XR gondrong si jangka ni check kadang di sana
kata ke pasisha ndai ki orders per ki adon lupa ki bari but ki copies yang ki order ki ladan lupa ki ba hapan dan ki partisla ki certificate of origin kumngi tip ba ki ki barung hi shani kin hapan dan ni ki certificate of origin ki wan na is ka ba certified na ka to ka state daga department ayu ka ba certified kila test ayu hang tu to ka bat hangiru ki bawanra ki hapan penbut ki kendon joka an ba pheru pher kung Motor Vehicles Act, kung Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Transportation of Livestock Rules. Kita ki an kaladon lupa, ti kalasingan lupa, ladan ni implement ya kata nila sotho ba ke bawan rung sangi kalalong ke ba kuat ke ba suba ba ka babha ka ba lat lakini ki ba ngim sotana bani i ba kalalong no kum ka ta baki kwa ban pelong kum ka dumping area bakin dumpi ki birds ki bala bam so ya ha ban bu saka yo ka hat ka nongrim ka jungi kalong ba ki ha ban implement ya kata dena kata daw ki kwa ban bu daga district task force but kata task force kan kmi bakan pet lada ka implementation kalong ka ka bayad bitnya habang ila kumba pi snow mo pi ngiru ni ya snow kumta ngila let on the ground ni klem lap daga khmat la jong tingim note ban ong ban ne ban comment dia kata ke hendrai ngi lap daga khmat la jong ba kawan rung kamar ka ba na po Haryana ka ba they ka declared state of Punjab actually te ki national media ha ka to ko por ki la da kyari ya nikal news ba ka Punjab ru kalong infected te haba karung ka to ni jarang khat dan wak ki ngi don lang hang tu bat ki khmi ka to ka ge ru ki la long alert ki kham sha rung ya ka truck ba kim biang ki kot kisla ti ngi iba sofa ka don ke bat nang ni chakmat lada ka don ke jingduna te ngin happen khmi ki can happen tre kalong na shakata.
It was a very constructive meeting, very positive. I'm very happy. So they have aired a few grievances like the grievances about fixing the prices. He said that we cannot fix the prices. How will we fix the prices? Suppose one farmer are selling within the state only. I'm not talking about now from outside the state. I can will tell you later outside the state also. But now if the farmers are from within the state, if they are selling for 200 rupees per kg, the other farmers from within the state, they are selling at 180 per kg, how I will tell people to buy for 200 rupees per kg? So this is up to the wish of the people that if you want to buy 200 rupees per kg or they want to buy for 180 per kg, it is up to them, but we cannot because this is no fixed rate on those materials. You cannot make the fixing the price. The fixing price is not in our view. And also already they have already explained and also given everything to the farmers, Poultry Farmers Association that has happened on 2019-20, not recently. If it has happened recently, definitely if it had come to the notice of the government or notice of the department, the department will not keep quiet. They will take actions on this kind of diseases coming from outside to the state of Meghalaya.
Who will have this task force?
No, now only that suggestion has come. The suggestion has come that is good to constitute the task force.
Hasyo abang ni kimi ki kubor ke badangsa ngin pengen mau biang ki mat bakongsan jang kubor mentah ketayo. Menjor ke kenhun menteri bantawe ke Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ban penstat ke jing tungkam bat menjor bantiet ya ke yeng ha Bangalore ban penbiang jakasa ki kena pule. Wanra oba sei borlang warba ya ka mangtengka ke balai benai hagieng darbar ke KHDC. Panjang syai kataki halot aerial survey hapok ka 10 km radius jong ki jaka lumdau yong. Haka kendai truk Yayong en bu jingkli uba Fernando Shangpliang ya kisaki bala IT de ke sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jelai. Lum jingelang menteri basa ateng ban penteri di projek haki skol bat college. Lara kepisa ke bagi kerong na kinongnya atrok ke pois ke council ke Dewan Ruspa dari Kamlong Kumta. Kat badang yat ke model code of conduct ki penmi order ban bu kerdop lum khajna. Dageslam jing sumar tenrai play ikong Aidares Marbanyang ha maupun ksai. But kenyo jumai bah nyo point nyo ho Richter scale hagari Myanmar. Haga sisa jan jakatayo ke balalet kawai kalong kemia kabala benanam hagaban ajing sumar tenrai kata ikong Aidares Marbanyang. Dagajing temu ban peniar gajing ajing sumar jong i ila play kejaka ajing sumar kabadan haga shnong maupun ksat haga distrik Ribhoi. Dagajing angnot ban pensuk egi patba banyo gajing sumar tenrai ke papaka kawai kalong kemia kabala benanam haga kam Aidawai bat sumar tenrai ikong Aidares Marbanyang ila play ya keslaman ajing sumar haga shnong maupun ksat haga distrik Ribhoi. Ya gani Islam ajing sumar tenrai lawan ban pedu ba bandari rentatiang rang ba shnong ke maupun ksat. Haga jing don langru ikong Aidares Marbanyang kinong yalam shnong bat kiro patba ke beliau ikajingkot na kajing sumar tenrai jong ini long kemia. Kumbeli tu di ikong Aidares Marbanyang ilong ba isngu uskade ban yo ban play da kani kejaka ke ban ajing sumar tenrai ki patba ban pensuk eki ha bagiwan ban pha sumar ikajing pang boper. Bagi loong bagasap ajing sumar kadai ke bayar pateng na ikemia jong i bagi lasdang ya kadai kam Aidawai bat sumar tenrai na do bai dang kam kena. Ile ru ba ila sumar gi patba na kalengkari khasi jantia bagi ladon ru negeri United States. Ki balayo ak jingkot na jing sumar jong i. Bagi laban rap ru bagi jat jingpang ki baju ai jing sumar ki kentup ya ke jingkeo ke blood pressure ke jing pat chieng ke jing yap siliang ke jingpang sini bagi sumar ru bat gitu ki bamyo kun. Nagaliang ba bandari rentatiang ulah penpau ke jing kemen banedon lang ha kene kesni bani ban play kene kejaka ajing sumar ka shnong ban pensuk iki bawan ban pha sumari i ha jing pang boper. Ulong ru ba ke jing yo jing itu je kong Aidares Marbanyang na kita nak trekam boper bagi kenhon leng ba ki certificate alor ka kam ka ba itibet ban trei ban sumar tenrai ban Aidawai bat kania kalong ka jing shania ka bakrau bagi pat ba kidon ha bagi wan ban pha sumar.
Sistem jangan kalau bar ben kini kiti te dah ngapai korban sebab ayat dengan ngapai sekali kadiang perlu ngamla tengah ngapai nang pak kamen dah dia ngali sim dawai doktor dah ngali doktor ki ong badi ke BP kat ha balik yang ong ki ong badi ke BP dah dia kidan ki bayar thuk dan ni para sinong ken ni kendut ong lej ta tengah menang syuk penlej tengah syuk puan ni pawan siang iwan itesum betul mai tang siang sanang in Malaysia jong ikong lemen tapak ngamudang ambil song syuk ni tapi jong sitong yang aku di barben kilometer san so kata BP ni na do ba pensuk ni kong kam judan syuk do komentang lah bang gitu kicimpang ki bang jumpa report
ala long na do dang kena bala kai di ni dah terhadap nang tu nang yai peteng kan tes kini istikir ya ibu long itu ikan yang kau kuat kia na sumar dia diberi nadu pelung di bala teman dengan pelengkap sahabat kini tidak main kini tidak na bertaki kentai minta kiramba itu di sini di minta jin sumar pelongban dengan hapet yang kau sumar sudah kadawai kan dah dia nanti pada bala ayu pada don kampat dah kau rumah pensum tapi kau basum lu kadon saujat dan senjat kita wai bangan konlang ke nakatu ke kitu sio jin nyarap yang tadi tengah aslam debat nanti nak US iro bidon bawan kondisi sia asil sisna ki bawan sumari ngah nampur session long si kini boy baru sudah.
Men sekadaya kumrang ba snong ma yo ban play gani dukan ini kong dei bala don sap shisai ba don la jong ka sap ban sumar brio maria la de ronga sumar hai ayo jukot mo an marwa ide ba tibet ya ba don gina ning ji pang ma ba kem kchat na ba gi tu dawai khasi bonjat sumar gi ye brio ba pang ba stom don di bawah na jangai na janmo don ka sap ko fer ki certificate babon ki certificate ilayo te re myo kala ben pau sabar ten re de ki jing do ma bai beni yang ani certificate langsung dei bai don la ka jong ka dukan ngala ajung mod yi bai play la ka jong ka dukan bai beni ki certificate ji bai ba ma khnang ba ka jing shania ka certificate ke de ki jing shania bai ba ma ha filadon la ka jong ka sernat ti bai ba bai kon sumar hang te kin yo i gen mo buon ro ba layo ke jukot nei kong dei bi sumar national jungi julet chnong po hari boy keleng kat chabokhat ki bre mo shilong ro ile ban sumar ban kat chab khat mono ro ikloi ban le te na kalang ga junga skit bok yang i ba ai ba khane ka dukan bai pile manta kasni khane ka shnong ma pun kshat ke bade haru surok hi ba kinyawan ban sumar haini kong ba dei ba ni ai ke jing shania ai wat bon brig ba yo jing kot te tang kita na kare jang fresh boy
kum chibenta ban le ki kam ki babha na ka benta ka imlang sa alang hagsi ba arjo katayo ka Khasi Students Union Nongpo Circle but ka Khasi Students Union Saidan Unit kila IT digi mit bat ki benchong ha ka Saidan Secondary School kenang bagi kena school kenyo ban pendon kam yaki Kinong ilam ka Khasi Students Union Nongpo Circle ka Saidan Unit kilalit ban IT digi benchong bat ki mit tho ki kena school shigibor peniat ka Saidan Secondary School kum kejeng kershan ne kan kena chlam ai jenang je start kenang man yo ban kentiu ka puli puthi ha kena kejeng ban IT gini kejeng ai sobha na kaliang ka KSU lalam khamat di kinong ilam ka Nongpo Circle bagen thop yo John Lengdo President ban chan lang kharshan Lord General Secretary nlor kiwe kibai kinong kit kam ka Saidan Unit La shimti kini kishpotali ki benchong bat ki miet daw headmaster ka Saidan Secondary School uba James Nongsiek. Haka balay don lang kino hikay bat ki kena school. Haba ajing kran na kani kasingi kinong ilam ka KSU kilapan pa kijing singo kumen banyo bani kershan lem ya kani ka school. Kabala kershan hi da kador barsh nong Saidan. Kaban ay men simru ki kena school namar kani ka school kanang don hapreng shibun kijing duna. Kilapan pa bahadian kijing yo ajing tip halo kijing don kam jo kani ka school yagi benchong kumta kaseng kabaran ka thong ban kentiu ka puli puthi kila shim na kasenjam ban penyo yakini kijing don kam naglang uba James nong set haba pediang kini kijing ai sobha ulai kuble kerpang ya bro kinong ilam ka KSU kiba kloi ban penyo lem kini ki benchong na kabenta kajing bet jing biang jing kena puli bat ula benrap ru bagani ka school kadai kabadang don hapdang shibun kijing duna ndrai kin omdu mensiam mania syakri na kabenta kajing nang jing start jong ki kena puli ki buan na kilong yeng ki baduna ka yo
school puli jong ka school Habilio banon IT ya kini ki ben ba pin pendon kam ha ka ba pin yo ya ka jinglang jing start ka dileng ba kini ki ben ki berit lan ki jingai subha ki berit nakliang jungi kum keseng siapi kum ke school kum juk ki nokpet nokpi nokpriya ka ni ka school dan nakliang keseng ngatrai ba kamdei kesen ka benikong bangiwan ban senyang lan ban ai ta u benhei siapi kum ke school ngatrai ka kelak bandei kesen ka bar namar kasin ko benikong lanang bakla kadai ha jing mi khmat jong kane ka school lanang bakla saka subur rokok kabla mi arhajar fly kabla mi khmat na ka jala ka jongi sepo nong ba delhi hak ba na kane ka school ha ka lian ketai kanda 17 kelio ben mi khmat wali simbenta ba na kalian ka seng kelio bania snok tilang wat hibor ibret lengba jong ka district bat mata kasin kadai kasin ka bar na kalian ka circle kelio benwan bania Tendrong lam ki kakti kemon ki kediang jungi lengba ibor beret halor ka jingdon kam jopi kum ke school oi nitip ha baro ba ka jingnang ni start ndai we bulum ya ni kum ki kun samla ki ba ngi dang hap ben prang ya ka jumut ju perkhat namta ka lawei segesni ki por ki ya ki maswan ndrai maswa benong tang ka wei ba kum ki kena pule ki samla pule ba to sim ya ke mi na preng kini kisau kunro kapa phio lengba kikmi pa ki bar ki jong phi ki bai yo tau jinang jingtep pendon kam hok eki ya kata kasap kapa kikmi pa ki bar ki ka ya phi nadu keriam ke bank ke ketien ke telin ka kor ke buram kayat ke yang turi tu sendong iki namar begini baru kidai kita ki momer kumba kajat bendriu ke jikam dan ke jayat nak kapor ba lengba jeng kita ki ai ke ba pila mendri sendong ki jing kai lengba ki kimi pa ki bar ki jongpi pila pat mentei yang lawai ka pa ka pernai ya ki imlang ka salang ka sendong ka thau bat kunju ya keri ba kajat bendriu hi borok away
Kari Myanmar kasi thọ đieng cho katayo kalamat ya kajing kanyo ujumay ubaklan ubran nyo point nyo ha Richter scale badu new ujumay ubaklan urapan kanyo ya kiri ki bamarjan ki bagentop ke India ka Thailand ka Vietnam ka China bat ka Bangladesh hadien jo kanyo ujumay ula kanyo obyang ha kasien ka baar ubadan kajing klan ka ba nrio point nrio ha Richter scale kani kajing kanyo ujumay ubah nyo point nyo how Richter scale kelaja kapor katway san powen step bad adien kani keladon biang kejeng kanyu ujumai ke kata aru kari Thailand bad kiri badan marjan hagani kejeng ja keladon kejeng julor ke beserkai hakari Myanmar bad keladon sanut ke bregu belaklat no rela suba jeruk bekila bandan bon ke belaklat syok ndrei ke belamen sau ke lebon ha kipat ba kari Myanmar keladap da kejeng tiang ba kejeng siar ha ujumai ul kanyu ado ndreu sian hagani kesni kat bah kari Thailand ka wei kejing tei ke bang dan hapren jo kejing shna kala klem no ya kene kejing kenyo ujumai bala subajor bagi dan bonut kinang trebela ke bala shatap kene kejing klem jo kene kejing tei bat ki kanon boper kinang penlong ya kejing wat banele banerap sei kini ki brio ke bala sakut hapo jong kene kejing tei ha kesni tho ding kene kejing kenyo ujumai le osngoru ha Delhi Kolkata bat Impal haga bagi pat ba klem ishabar kejing syaptiang wala ujumai umdade ubaklan kumelaja Myanmar bat Thailand. Hagani kejuk kesini ke National Center for Seismology kalau penting bakaladon do kejuk kanyu ujumai ha East Garo Hills jong kejela Meghalaya. Akapor shibeje minsngi ke ba kejing klan jong ujumai ke Long Sau Point North ha Richter scale. Te perlok da ketung ila poi syaka bokut juga top kubor jengi mentang janmiet ngin se syambiang bat pil syam teo kejuk kasngi bat ha kejuk kopor kublai shibone kopor jengpi bat tiasok